Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel once again. And again, I'm skipping the basic introduction. I'm really sorry for that. I don't know, somehow I'm getting just a bit scared to come in front of the camera. No, I'll definitely come in front of the camera and we will be going quickly through two best penny stocks today, which are a good buy in my opinion again. Because I'm not a financial advisor and I'm not here to suggest you to buy or sell anything. And guys, the thumbnail which you saw today, these are the recent gains. And if you want to have track of my gains, of my signals, what I'm buying and what I'm selling, then you're most welcome to join our Patreons group because there we make gains. Anyway, so now let's just hop onto the main content. So guys, the first penny stock in our list is Genius Brands, trading with the ticker symbol GNUS, which is trading currently at $1.41 at the time of making this video and is currently up by 1.44% from the previous closing price of $1.39 and is at a market cap of $361 million. The other important thing which is important for investors to notice is this 52-week range, which is from 0.052 dollars, which is not the matter of concern. The matter of concern is the 52 weeks high, which is $11, and which has made many investors to jump into this stock with the expectations of making 10 folds once again and assuming that the price will hit those levels once again. But guys, here we have to be a bit careful. These are penny stocks and it doesn't mean at all that once if it has hit $11, the highest value, it might touch it again. No, it's not sure and it is not necessary at all. That was a simple pump and dump case which actually happened just on a PR. And that's all, guys. That's all it's about. Now, I'm not saying either that it cannot reach, but please don't have these unrealistic expectations for some stocks like this, especially, which has, yes, potential, but the company really has to work harder on its finances and on its promises and advertisements, to be honest. But anyways, now the realistic price range, what it can actually reach according to me, I will definitely tell you in a while, so stay tuned. So just to let you guys get acquainted with the company, so what the company actually does. So Genius Brands International Incorporation is a content and brand management company which creates and licenses multimedia content for toddlers to teens worldwide. So the company actually offers many animated series for kids like, for example, Rainbow Rangers, Llama Llama, and one of the other sources of revenue for Genius Brands is actually the toys which they produce based on these characters from these cartoon series. In addition, the company acts as a licensing agent for Llama Llama, like I just told you. It serves various customers and partners, including broadcasters, consumer products, licenses, manufacturers, wholesalers, and retailers. The company was formerly known as Pacific Entertainment Corporation and changed its name to Genius Brands International Incorporation in October 2011. So there were some actually really good news about Genius Brands and some really good catalyst in the year 2020 which actually spiked up my interest in this particular company. So one of them is big names linking with Genius Brands, like for example Shaquille O'Neal linking with Genius Brands, who will be doing a voiceover for his own cartoon series in Genius Brands, which will go by the name Shaq's Garage, and is also a significant investor in Genius Brands. And another big name linking with Genius Brands is Arnold Schwarzenegger, who is also significant investor in Genius Brands International. Apart from that, Genius Brands International actually finalized a deal with LG Electronics to offer cartoon channel app across LG smart TVs. Plus with that they also released an app for iPhone, which was another really good catalyst for Genius Brands. But what I notice is that now since 27 days they haven't released a single PR. This is not that good, but this also means that they might be working on something big. The other good important thing is that even though there hasn't been any PR release, the price hasn't fluctuated so much, which also actually indicates that there are many investors who are quite optimistic about this company and are holding their positions quite strongly. But guys, apart from that, being an honest investor, and I don't want to keep you guys in shadow, I have to show you the negative side of the company as well. So first of all, many investors out there are pretty bearish on Genius and also gives it a no buy rating. Plus, their financials aren't that great as well. I mean, yeah, they became debt free in 2020, which is quite great by the way, but their revenue stream is lacking by huge margins, if especially we compare it with their respective market cap. And that's why these are two of the biggest red flags for me as an investor, because there are many investors out there who are becoming quite bearish with Genius Brands. And this is because there had been many press releases out there, but these press releases have turned out to be just empty words. Now, these are not my words, these are the words from many investors out there. I'm quite patient with this company, but yes, it does affect the investors' motivation when we see press releases which are eventually not turned or realized into real numbers, real revenue, real results. Yeah. So this does affect the investors. This is no doubt. And that's what's happening with Genius. But I hope that they will shake up the management. The management will wake up in 2021. And if they find the right choices, they find the right strategy, then I am sure this company can really touch new heights. So with that being said, now let's jump onto the chart of Genius. So as you can see right here, this is the 1 month chart for Genius, and the price has not been so bad, to be honest, considering the fact that there has been nothing, there has been no PR from Genius whatsoever. The price didn't fall beyond these support levels, which is quite amazing. So it has made a new low highs every time, and without a PR, Genius holding its position in range from $1.2 to $1.4 is quite amazing. And as you can see right here that it has been in between these support and resistance levels, and now the price has reached to this support level, so I'm assuming that it will hit back, it will bounce back, but it might have to go beyond this resistance level to have a new high. And yeah, it has had a new high before, and we know that it also touched $11. So I'm not expecting Genius to reach 11 at $11 anytime soon, until and unless they present really nice financial results. But yes, of course, today I'm sure that it should hit back, bounce back. But let's see, anything can happen. And since the price has also come in tune with the moving average, simple moving average, so yeah, I'm assuming that it should hit back. So yes, so please invest accordingly. I am in no way suggesting anyone else to invest without doing your own due diligence. So this is a must, guys. This is anyways a must in every case, in every scenario. So please take care of that. So that's it. So the next penny stock in our list is a biotech company, Aileron Therapeutics, trading with the ticker symbol ALRN, and was yesterday at $1.83, but now in the pre-market hours it is down by 2.73%, and this could be a really good buying opportunity. And they also recently announced a direct offering of $35.9 million. And why a good opportunity? Well, the first reason is the characteristic of its chart. So as you can see from June, it has been making new highs every time. So as you can see right here, it has been making new highs, and then there was this share consolidation first time, and then again a share consolidation of $35.9 million once again. And then as you can see, it jumped with a big gap right here. And so that's why now, as you can see, it is down by 2.73%, and that's why I think it can be a good opportunity, though I also think that it might fill up this gap and it might fall up to $1.35. But let's see. And as you can see, there is a big support point right here at 1.16, as it jumped quite high, making all-time new highs in the past 6 to 7 months. So this is a really good support point. So I'm not that worried. Even if I open up a position at $1.78, I still might not have a big downside, but still I will open up with a small position, or let's say half of what I am thinking to invest in this, just in case if it falls further up to $1.35, then I will just average it down. And also, as you can see, the incoming volume on this has been around 1 to 3 million always, and on this particular day it went up to 37 million. So the volume is not definitely an issue, and if it reaches until 1.13 or 1.35, I will definitely add more of these stocks. And why? Well, that brings us to the second reason why it's a good opportunity. And this is the second reason why I think that investing in Illyrion can be a huge opportunity, at least in 2021, because of amazing and huge lined up catalysts for Elerion in 2021. So Elerion's 2021 strategic priorities aim to advance its vision to bring chemoprotection to all patients with its mutant cancer, regardless of cancer indication or chemotherapy. So some of the milestones which they are planning to achieve in 2021 is, first of all, initiate phase 1b randomized placebo-controlled clinical trial of novel chemoprotective agent through ALRN 6924 in patients with advanced non-small cell lung cancer. So this might come in the second quarter 2021. Then another important thing is report initial results from phase 1b NSCLC clinical trial in fourth quarter of 2021. And then the ALRN 6924 in patients will be receiving topotecan in first quarter of 2021. So that's why entering into this company at this point could be a really good opportunity, especially at the price between somewhere around 1.3 to 1.7 dollars. So any downfall in the price will be an indication for me to collect more and more of this particular stock. So that would be my strategy. But again, guys, this is not a financial advice, so please do your own due diligence. So that's it, guys. That's all for today. These are the two penny stocks which I wanted to bring up quickly up to your attention. So I made this video quite short. And that's it, guys. So please be careful with the penny stocks. Please do your own due diligence. Don't get carried away with the market emotions. And yeah, please control your emotions. And that's the strategy. That's the key point for success. So I will see you in the next one, guys. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and ciao.